Timu ya lushaka Banyana Banyana itoba na madoa maviri au ita ndowe pano hayani panda musi isatutanga rwendo rwa United Kingdom. Izi zukatebera ngamura musi Banyana itotaniwa musi chikundwanga timu ya lushaka Brazil mwezi wa ferao. Timu yototirindidza musi chikundwanga skuroziraru kagumba ka Mutambo vura. Zoraro Banyana imbutitanga na ndo ikizwara apo ndi Banyana Banyana yatona uranga skurozarati kagumba ka Mutambo oviri wa vhukonani nge Durban kusungopera madoa mangana. Banyana Banyana bane badivero bakawimo afutanwina lifhasi vatotanga na timu ine yabakawimo abufumi na bubiri lifhasi.
They're also preparing to host the World Cup and do well in the World Cup, and they similarly to us, but we have a fantastic striker in Sam Kerr, so it will severely test our defence. But it's another opportunity for players to test. We wanted another game. Unfortunately, we couldn't get another game in London because some of the teams already have international friendlies, and others who we wanted to play are busy preparing for playoffs for the World Cup.
Vhatambi vane vatamba pano hayani ndi vone voita ondowe pano gambani doroboni ya Johannesburg.
Overseas-based players will link up with us. Cynthia Maketa can't travel. She only got a passport yesterday. We speak about this all the time, that players need to have documents. I think if you aspire to play for the national team, you need to make sure that you have documents. There's players abroad that don't have documents, players that we monitor. And we cannot select you if you don't have your documents, Until Dlamini actually had to withdraw. She's got a bereavement in the family. And so we are supporting her from afar, but she had to withdraw. Otherwise, the rest of the players are ready to travel.
Mutama murao ani abajani fanvekati na nukumantlo abangadoba chipida cha timu ezi zungakadeba chikara ka Mugudisi na chigwara chabo ungakwatisa timu.
It's also an opportunity to test players. We speak about who we take with us on our journey. It's very important that we start, settling on a core group as soon as possible. But the door is never closed for that players that will wow you. I remember 2019 in May of 2019, which was about a month away from the World Cup. We took Sibulele and Karabo with us to USA, and there was no way that we could leave them out the way they performed. So the door is never closed, but we're looking at working with a core group of players going forward.
Vadzangana la bola mrenje pano ka Afurika Tshipembe vari vadevera phanda no tsuzana mitambo ya vhukonani uitora Banyana Banyana ikono dirugisera ka mitambo ya lifhasi nga nwedzi wa Fulwana ishao.
I think you need a different kind of competition so that you can gauge yourself towards the World Cup. What is very important is that you need to then see and prepare the players, because what is important is that players should be prepared in terms of what kind of opponents are they going to face when they arrive at the World Cup. It's our second stint in the World Cup. At least we are privy, we know now what to expect.
Timu ya Banyana Banyana itadivori ikoribana na timu ifiyo musi jitaitwa mademu wa chiofisi nge New Zealand ngala 2022 la chimedzi.